Your name?
Taylor Ritchie.
All right. And where are we on this case?
Your Honor, rent to retain is $4,794, cost of $170 for a total redemptive amount of $4,964.
As of today, I am caught up on the payment arrangement that I made with them. I paid $16.11 today, and I paid $14.35 on the 16th of January. I have those receipts with me as well.
So how much did you pay on the 6th?
On the 16th,
Yeah.
$14.35.
How much? 14?
$1,435.
Okay. And then you paid an additional how much?
$1,611 today.
Today? So you probably don't have today's payment, counsel, but
The last payment I have is from December 22nd.
I have both of the receipts for the 16th and today. I checked.
I'm just gonna tell you, she did say, because she was here on the 6th, she was before me on the 16th. And there was gonna be a payment by the 22nd, and she did say something about making another payment. So I mean,
I did make those payments.
no, it's okay.
But I did check the website as well, and the balance is currently down to $1,748.
How much?
$1,748.
That's a huge difference from what you gave me.
It is. I'm showing a balance of $49,964.
I believe you. Okay. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. When's the next, how much is your monthly rent?
$1,489, I believe.
Okay, and so you're gonna,
87, sorry.
so you're gonna pay that when? you think?
My grandma, she said that she would loan me the money so I can get that paid in time. And then I start a new
You're gonna
job.
take grandma's money? No, go ahead.
Temporarily,
This is
temporarily.
my business. Go ahead.
And then I start a new job on the 2nd. So on Monday, I get paid on the 13th, as well as I am waiting for my tax refund to hit my account.
Oh, you got a
So I'll
plan. You
cut it
have,
off.
you have all kinds of plans.
I do.
All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna adjourn your case out to the 13th.
Okay.
2026 at 3?
Yes.
At 3 p.m. Okay, hopefully they'll get that ledger that they're giving council caught up. You make your payment, your February's got to be paid, but I don't mind mixing that in because it sounds like you have a plan to get that paid in time.
Yes. I do.
All right?
If I may,
I
Your
do.
Honor,
Yeah.
if you pay it before the 13th, we'll dismiss the case.
Okay.
Yeah, if you get everything paid off by the 13th, the case goes away.
I should have it paid by then.
Okay, with grandma's help,
Yes.
right? Okay, all right.
Thank
You take care, young
Thank
lady. Have a great weekend. Court does call the case of Haverhill on Clark versus Myra South.
Timothy Procco for the plaintiff.
Hello,
Hello, what's your name?
Myra South.
All right. And where are we on her case?
Current rent to retain, Your Honor, is $7,554.78, cost of $170 for a total redemptive amount of $7,724.78.
How are we gonna get this done? You went to Hawk and Jewish Family Services last time, right?
And SOS, correct. However, it has to be down to 3,000. I have paid 1,700 so far this month. And then,
When did you pay that?
so my most recent, I want to say, was maybe Monday of 1,000. And then it was 700, like maybe 2 weeks ago. Yeah,
Okay. And how much is your monthly rent?
1712, I believe.
So if that comes off, then what's gonna end up happening, you're gonna be right at this figure going into February,
Yeah.
basically. Okay, when's the next time you can make a payment?
So I already made like a agreement with my leasing office.
Okay.
So every 2 weeks is when I pay. So my next payment will be next week of $700. And then I plan on getting my income tax and paying it off with the help of Hawk too. So I'm gonna try and pay it
So, right,
much
so
as I
you're gonna
can.
try to get yourself under 3,000
exactly.
and then, okay.
Yeah. And then I've been in communication with, I want to say her name is Angela Johnson. And so she told me I need to at least come up with 2,000 because there's other organizations that could help. So that's what I've been trying to try to do. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to adjourn her case out. Counsel, I'm a little bit concerned. This is now the second or third that has come up and said they made an agreement with the leasing office. And I'm a little bit unclear as to what that agreement is.
So it's a oh, you said, sorry.
No, go ahead.
It's a payment plan. So,
Right, but
okay.
So, Your Honor, if I may.
Yeah.
There's a form that the residents can fill out to request a payment plan. It doesn't necessarily mean it's been accepted.
Got it.
I'm aware of one today that's been accepted. The others have not, as far as I know. But if you're going to adjourn it, sorry, that's what I know.
Okay,
well, no, don't turn on. Why did you turn on him like that?
I wasn't
Why
looking
he's trying to explain to me?
I was
Why
looking
you she doesn't take the man down.
No,
Yes,
sir. I don't
yes,
want no
no,
parts.
no, you just.
I don't want no parts.
I don't want to be treated like that. I'll stay at home.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, I'm not gonna get into that.
No.
Wow.
Your Honor, if you want to adjourn it to the 13th, try to work that out in the meantime.
I will. I'll turn it to February 13th, 2026, 3 p.m.
Okay.
You try not to pick up a case between now and then.
Oh, you know what? I have seen you so many times since last year. I was homeless all of 2024. I was pulled over in a park, sleeping in my park in a car, sleeping in a park in my car, found my pistol. I just dealt with you end of November. So I'm paying for. This is a whole stemmer case. I lost my job in the meantime. Now I'm back on my feet, and I just hope that all this crap is over and done with. And I love seeing your beautiful smile, but I don't like being here. I work midnights. I'm trying to get my business running, and I don't have time for this. So
it's like, I like you, Judge, but not.
But I don't, not for this.
Yeah,
I'll have
right.
dinner somewhere, but I don't know. But okay, thank you so much.
All right, my dear. You
All right.
take care of yourself. Have a great weekend.
You as well, thank you.
No, no, oh, you involved too? Thank you. Haverhill on Clark versus Emmanuel Ware III.
Timothy Proctor for the plaintiff.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Your name?
Emmanuel Ware.
All right, take your hands out of your pockets, please. And what do you have, Owen?
Your Honor, if I may, Mr. Ware and I've had the chance to discuss. We've agreed to enter into a consent judgment for possession only. Rent to retain is $10,860.60. Cost of $170 for a total redemptive amount of $11,030.60. Where it's indicated he can pay that on or before February 9th, 2026, which we're requesting or agreed is the writ date. Partial payment would not prevent issue of writ. We have both signed the consent judgment if the court is so inclined.
All right. Is that a correct statement, sir?
Yes, sir.
He signed it. You did. Yep.
Yes, sir.
And you can get that all paid by then?
Yeah.
Okay. And you were apprised of your rights to your 3-day
Yes, sir.
rights. Okay. Okay. Any questions you have regarding this?
No, sir.
All right. Court will enter the judgment
Thank you.
in that amount
Thank you.
for possession. Thank you. Is that it for you? I think that is it. Thank you, sir.
Have a great weekend.
You do the same. Syed Hussan versus Obey El Ahmad.
We'll see you on the 13th. And if you get out, don't do anything stupid. I'm not, you hear me? Yeah, I don't even live in Ipsy. Well, use something stupid.